Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows multiple stones in the gallbladder as well as in the bile duct. That is cholelithiasis associated with cholelithiasis. Cholelithiasis is the presence of stones in the bile duct. The stones can form in the gallbladder or in the ducts themselves. These stones cause biliary colic, biliary obstruction, gallstone pancreatitis, or cholangitis, that is bile duct infection and inflammation. Now you can see multiple stone shadowings in the whole length of the gallbladder, in the dependent portion along the posterior wall. You can see these stones measures more than 12 centimeter. These stones are seen in an area of about more than 12 centimeter. The gallbladder is distended to its maximum. Now you can see the scanning of the bile ducts and you can see a stone in the intrahepatic portion of the biliary duct. But there are multiple stones in the bile duct also, as they have been in the gallbladder itself. Cholelithiasis involves the presence of gallstones, which are concretions that form in the biliary tract, usually the gallbladder. Cholelithiasis refers to the presence of one or more gallstones in the common bile duct. Typical signs and symptoms of cholelithiasis include abdominal pain that is episodic but constant in character, localized in the right upper quadrant, epigastrium, or both, and may radiate to the right side. Nausea and vomiting are common and tend not to relieve the pain. Anorexia, icterus, and dark urine. Now you can see multiple stones in the bile duct. Quite a number of stones are seen, and these stones are not small, they are large in size. And you can see the shadowing, the posterior accosting shadowing of the stones seen in the bile duct. This is a rare case, mostly one or two stones are seen in the bile duct and they are hard to localize. But if the stones are multiple, as in this case, the biliary duct is dilated and the stones are quite easily seen, but it needs a bit of practice. The bile duct localization needs a bit of practice. So you know the practice makes the man perfect. Now symptoms of blocked bile duct. Symptoms of blocked bile duct include yellowing of skin, jaundice or eyes, icterus, from the buildup of waste product called bilirubin. Itching not limited to one area may be worse at night or in warm weather, light brown urine. If a stone completely blocks the ducts of the gallbladder, liver, common bile duct, or pancreas, other symptoms may include nausea, fever, chills. The most common cause of severe acute pancreatitis is gallstone blocking the pancreatic duct. This can sometimes occur even if the gallbladder has been previously removed. When triggered by excessive alcohol consumption, acute pancreatitis usually resolves itself with rest and avoiding from drinking. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.